Hello, second grade mathematicians. It's so good to see you again. Now, yesterday, we talked about our numbers, and we talked about standard form, word form, base 10 blocks, and today we are going to talk about place value. And remember, what we're working on this week is showing 5 different ways to represent a number. So our standard form is if it says 3, oh, you can't see that, sorry. If it's 368. 368. Now, for the word form, remember, we just use our words. We have to spell it out. 360. And remember, I'm going to put that hyphen in between my 10s and my 1s. 8. 368. Now, for the base 10 blocks, we have to draw our base 10 blocks. Remember, what do we use to draw our hundreds? That's right, we're going to use squares. So I have 300s, 100, 200, 300s. Now, how many 10s do I have? That's 6 10s. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And how many 1s? That's right, I have 8 1s. Remember, I use circles to draw my 1s so I don't get them confused with my hundreds. So I'm going to draw 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now, boys and girls, when we're talking about place value, we're talking about the hundreds, 10s, and 1s. How many hundreds are there in 368? That's right, there's 300s. How many 10s are there? Good job, 6 10s. And how many 1s? 8 1s. Very good. I'm gonna try to trick you. So put on your thinking caps for the next problem. You ready? Put them on. All right, so we still have 368. But look, I have 10s, 1s, and hundreds. How many 10s are in 368? Very good, we have 6 10s. So our 6 is here. How many 1s are there? That's right, 8. And how many hundreds? That's right. The digit 3 is in our hundred spot, so we have 300s. Man, I didn't trick y'all. Let's try something else. All right, let's see if I can trick you now. I have a new number, 524. My words, 524. I drew it out, 524. So for my place value, how many 1s are there? That's right, 4 1s. How many hundreds are there? That's right, it's a 500. And how many 10s are there? 2 groups of 10s. Man, y'all are just too smart. I can't believe I can't trick you. All right, we're going to do one more. Okay, boys and girls, welcome back. So, I said I was going to try to trick you. This time, I am going to write down the place value, and I want you to figure out what number I'm talking about. If I say that the number has 3 ones, 6 tens, and 2 hundreds. I might want to draw it out first. So I have my 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. How many tens? 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. And how many hundreds? 2. 100, 200. What number did I just draw? Let's see. I have 200, 6 tens, and 3 ones. I just made the number 263. Good job, y'all are so smart. Remember, for my word form, all I'm having to do is write the what? The words. 263. Good job, mathematicians. So, we went over our word form, base 10, standard form, and now y'all know place value. Make sure you pay attention as you're reading it. Bye.